Okay, question 3. So Craig is going to get a flight to Egypt. I must admit, I wish I was Craig. Sorry. So these are the times of buses going from his town to the airport. So Craig's flight is at 13:50. He must be at the airport at least 2 hours before the flight, and the bus usually takes 2 hours and 30 minutes to get to the airport. Now when I do these sort of questions, I tend to work backwards. So we know that he has to be at the airport 2 hours before the flight, and we know the flight is at 13:50. Okay, so we know the flight is at 13:50. So we need to take away 2 hours because he has to be there 2 hours before the flight. So this means then that he has to be at the airport at 11:50. Okay. Now we also know that the bus takes 2 hours and 30 minutes to get to the airport. So if we take away 2 hours and 30 minutes, then 2 hours from 11:50 would be 9:50, and then the 30 minutes would mean that the latest he could leave would be at 9:20. Okay, so we need to make sure that he gets the bus no later than 9:20. So 9:25 we can see is too late, so you'd have to get the 8:45 bus. So I would write for the examiner 9:20 latest time. Let's try and write this a bit neater. To leave. So 9:25 bus is too late. So I think we said it was 8:45. So he needs to catch the 08:45 bus. Okay, that's it. So I find working backwards is a lot easier, so I just keep subtracting the time until I get to where I actually want to go. Okay, I hope that helps, and we'll move on to the next question.